Hello, my name is Marla Lobley, and I am the Education Liaison Librarian, which means I'm your librarian, and I'm here to help you with whatever information needs you may have for this class, whether it's doing research or just coming up with ideas for some of your lesson plans and your assignments. So all of my contact information is here on this homepage of the course guide. This course guide was made just for your class, and you can contact me at any time. You can schedule an appointment with me, and that can be through Zoom, over the phone, or through chat. So there's lots of ways to contact me. On the Plan tab, I have a video that I thought was really interesting. It's about a teacher who worked with his students to create and publish an academic journal article that was peer-reviewed, and they did a research study, and it's just a very interesting video, and here he is presenting with one of his students. So I thought that might be interesting for you and kind of get some ideas going for you. And then here, I'll focus on the search tab today, because that is there's a lot of information at the library that can help you with your lesson plans. So we do have some academic journal articles that are more about the ideas and the theories behind lesson plans and different types of teaching, like inquiry-based teaching and cooperative learning, other types of teaching. So the academic journal articles are more about theory, but these other sources in these three boxes here, searching databases, teaching magazines, and online resources, are a lot more practical. And by that, I mean you're able to use them in practice. Education Week Online is a great news source to find out what's happening in the education world. And I believe they have a STEM section of their website, so you can find out what's happening in STEM education. These science teaching magazines are also really great. It's a whole magazine just devoted to teaching science. So you can click on the link, then click on the year that you would like, and you can see the latest issue. You can look at past year's issues. And once you find a headline that looks interesting, click the PDF full text, and you can look at and get a lot of great ideas. So there's 3 different magazines there. And these are a couple of online websites. One is coming from Education Week Online that I thought were especially helpful. And then these community partners, some of these resources might mention working with community partners. And so I linked to a couple that are in Ada, but really whatever community you're in, if you're in Oklahoma, you're likely to have your community or a community near you a cooperative extension office and a public library. And both of those institutions share the same goal of educating people about science. So they can be great partners. We also have specific books in the library with science lesson plans for elementary students. So we have some that are centered around picture books. Well, actually, all of these are centered around picture books and using picture books to teach science. And we have in our collection the picture books that are in these books, all of the ones that we could get. And you can see the grade levels are in the titles. And I will keep this box updated as we get new materials or as I find new materials, I will put them here. If we have a book in our library, like one of these books here, and you are not able to come to campus to get it, we can mail it to you. And that form is right here, and that's through a service called Document Delivery. If you want to search for other items we have in the library, you can use this search box at the top of the page, and this CatPack tutorial can help you if you have any questions, and then of course I can help you if you have any questions. So that is all for today. I encourage you to check out some of these resources, expand your thinking about what's possible in teaching science, and I look forward to working with you.